Hey folks, I'm Pete, and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today I'm making creamy garlic pasta. Some people call it pasta Alfredo. This is absolutely delicious. It's better than you've had at any restaurant. It's so easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So let's begin. Here's what you're going to need to make this. You're going to need butter, garlic, and parmesan. Those are the stars of the show. Actually, you could just do it with that. In North America, we like to add cream. So we add cream. I like to add a little bit of white wine, some spices, salt, pepper. I love herbamare. I'm going to use herbamare. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of heat of some kind. And if at the end, I'm going to put some shavings of nice fresh Parmesan cheese, and it's going to be delectable. You'll see. So there you go. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic crushed and about 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to fry that up nicely in the frying pan here. And what I'm going to have is off to the side, I'm going to have some white wine just in case it starts getting too brown. I'll pour the white wine in to deglaze it. I'm going to add a touch of olive oil here. Now, some people say that, oh, if you're doing a butter cream based sauce, you shouldn't add olive oil. I found that it really doesn't make a difference, and I kind of like the taste of olive oil a bit in the dish. So it's totally up to you, but I don't know, I haven't found any big difference with it. So you can see the garlic is just starting to brown lightly, and trust me, it smells amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about a half a cup of white wine just to make sure it doesn't burn. So I got that white wine in there now, scraping to make sure we don't get any of the garlic burnt. Okay, that's fabulous. And now I'm going to add the cream. So about a cup to a cup and a half of cream. A little bit more cream. That's about a cup and a half of cream. A couple of chili flakes, just to give it a warmth. And some pepper. Of course, this is all to your own taste. Please don't be afraid of the chili flakes. Just add a little bit, just to give it a warmth. And I'm going to add some herbamare. This is the lovely herbamare mixture. And I'm going to bring this nicely to a boil now. And as it begins to boil, it's going to thicken and thicken and thicken. And when it gets to the right thickness, which I'll see by the way it coats the back of a spoon, then I'll add the pasta and the Parmesan, and it'll be done, and it'll be fabulous. Okay, so this has been a good 10 minutes, and that pasta sauce, the cream has really thickened up nicely. Of course, you could do it more or less, just depending on your own taste. But I'm going to turn that right off now, and we'll take some pasta, and we're going to put the pasta right in the sauce on this one. Probably 2 really good scoops in the sauce. Maybe a little bit more. That's maybe even too much, but anyway, that's a lot of pasta in there, and that sauce will take it no problem. The last finishing touch is I'm going to add the Parmesan. You don't want to be shy with the Parmesan. You know, I'm going to add quite a bit of Parmesan, and I'm going to stir that in. Of course, you can add or subtract more Parmesan depending on how you like it. And trust me, this is going to be absolutely amazing. This is like restaurant style, no problem. So there you go. She's all mixed up. Creamy Parmesan, Alfredo, delicious. Enjoy.